Did you know that with just a few familiar ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a magic fertilizer that keeps your Anthuriums lush, healthy, and blooming all year round? In today's video, Love Garden Care will share with you a natural, chemical-free, incredibly inexpensive fertilizer formula with results that might surprise you. Let's explore the proper care techniques to keep your Anthuriums thriving and blooming beautifully all year long. Now, I will do a general check of the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that the base of the plant shows signs of rot, with softened and discolored tissue. This condition weakens the plant, slows its growth, and creates an ideal environment for mold and pests, especially in high humidity. Which country are you watching from? Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with more simple yet effective plant care tips. This is a small but crucial step that helps the plant grow stronger and ready to absorb nutrients. The first ingredient is eggshells. Now, I'll crush them into fine pieces and put them into a clean glass jar. Crushing the shells finely helps them decompose faster and release nutrients more easily for the plant to absorb. Eggshells are rich in calcium and natural minerals, which help strengthen the roots and reduce the risk of root rot. When used properly, they also help improve soil quality and promote healthier growth for Anthurium plants. Next, we'll prepare the second ingredient, which is rice. I'm using about 3 tablespoons and adding them directly into the jar with the crushed eggshells. Rice contains starch and B vitamins that, when soaked, create natural nutrients to promote root growth and greener leaves. Then, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water to start soaking the mixture. The hot water helps soften the eggshells, activate the starch in the rice, and release nutrients more quickly. Next, I add about 4 tablets of vitamin B1 into the jar containing the eggshell and rice mixture. Vitamin B1 is a common supplement in gardening, used to stimulate root growth and help plants regain vitality. After adding the B1 tablets, I stir the mixture well until they fully dissolve. Once dissolved, vitamin B1 becomes easier for the plant to absorb quickly and effectively. Next, I close the lid and let the mixture sit for about 1 hour. This resting time allows the B1 to blend with the rice starch and eggshell minerals, forming a highly potent natural nutrient solution. After soaking the mixture of eggshells, rice, and vitamin B1 for 1 hour, I stir it again to ensure all nutrients are fully dissolved before filtering. Then, I strain out the residue and keep only the liquid, which contains all the extracted nutrients from the mixture. This filtering step is essential because it removes coarse particles that could clog the roots or promote mold growth in most soil. Proper filtering makes the solution cleaner and clearer, allowing it to be used for root watering or leaf spraying without leaving harmful residue. Next, I add about 50 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution. Diluting it makes the solution gentler and prevents shock when applied to the roots or sprayed on the leaves. With this diluted mixture, we have a fully natural, easy to absorb. Nutrient solution ideal for ornamental plants like Anthuriums. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This isn't just a simple cleaning step, it's like giving the leaves a skincare treatment, helping them stay healthy and glossy. Wiping the leaves removes dust, bacteria, and small insects, allowing the leaves to breathe better and improving photosynthesis. The natural solution made from eggshells, rice, and B1 provides minerals that make the leaves shinier, greener, and naturally more resistant. These natural components also help reduce mild pests like aphids, mold, and small leaf insects. Which country are you watching from? Leave a comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and effective plant care tips. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution keeps the plant clean and healthy, making the foliage brighter and enhancing the aesthetic value of your Anthurium. After finishing the leaf cleaning, I let the plant rest for a few minutes so the solution can fully absorb into the leaf surface. During this time, the leaves become more ventilated, dry naturally, and begin absorbing the remaining nutrients. Step 2. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the nutrient solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and surface roots. Spraying the solution allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through its leaves, helping it recover and grow more quickly. The mixture of eggshells, rice, and B1 is rich in minerals and B vitamins, which help the leaves become greener, shinier, and naturally more resistant. These nutrients also help suppress bacteria, mold, and mild pests that may appear on the leaves. When sprayed evenly, the solution reaches the young shoots and growing tips, stimulating new leaf development and aiding quick recovery. With this care method, the Anthurium is nourished from the inside while being beautified on the outside, keeping the foliage fresh and vibrant. Step 3. After spraying the solution over the leaves and stems in the previous step, I use the remaining mixture to water the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium. Watering with this solution nourishes the roots from below, supplying essential starch, B vitamins, calcium, and minerals for healthy root development. The combination of eggshells, rice, and B1 strengthens the roots, enhances nutrient and water absorption, and boosts the plant's natural resistance. With regular use, the solution loosens the soil, increases beneficial microorganisms, and reduces the risk of root rot or fungal issues. Once the roots are strong, the Anthurium grows faster, produces deeper green leaves, and tends to bloom more regularly. Next, I soak the plant's root ball in the eggshell rice B1 solution for about 10 minutes to allow deeper nutrient absorption. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently take it out and place it in an area with diffused light. This means soft natural light that isn't direct, ideally a shaded spot with filtered sunlight. Step 4. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away any water remaining on the leaf surface. Drying the leaves prevents water from accumulating in leaf crevices, one of the main causes of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid conditions. When the leaves are dry and ventilated, the plant photosynthesizes better, breathes more naturally, and avoids unsightly stains or white spots caused by lingering moisture. After cleaning, I place the plant back in diffused light with gentle airflow, so the leaves can dry naturally, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With simple ingredients like eggshells, rice, and vitamin B1, we can create a natural plant care method right at home. No chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques, just a little time and some love for your plant. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural plant care tips. See you in the next video.